discerning drivers will appreciate the 2020 Chevrolet Malibu. This four-door, five-passenger sedan offers the features and options for which you've been searching. It features an automatic transmission, front-wheel drive, and an efficient four-cylinder engine. A turbocharger further enhances performance while also preserving fuel economy. It includes heated seats, delay-off headlights, front and rear reading lights, one-touch window functionality, a trip computer, remote keyless entry, and a split-folding rear seat. Audio features include an AM/FM radio, steering wheel-mounted audio controls, and 6 well-positioned speakers. Chevrolet ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as head curtain airbags, front and rear side impact airbags, traction control, ignition disabling, OnStar, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Brake Assist technology provides extra pressure when applying the brakes. Our experienced sales staff is eager to share its knowledge and enthusiasm with you. Come on in and take a test drive.